We're downtown St. Petersburg. We're gonna go check out the Saturday morning market, and they have all sorts of food, clothing, shopping, and it's every Saturday morning.
The market requires everyone who visits to wear a mask. Colin, which painting's your favorite?
It was all painted with a cut-up credit card, and I just dragged the paint across, and that's because it's the texture, and I call it Tropical Funk.
I love this tropical funk.
We just bought some art to support the local artists. You can check them out at jshevlinjr.com.
This is the one I got.
Okay, I was just informed that if you get some food and drinks, you got to take them out there, and you can't consume them here because of obviously COVID. That's a precautionary measure that they're doing this year.
Are you girls gonna get anything? Oh look, Frida Kahlo. The Saturday morning market reopened on November 14th, and our visit comes on the third weekend since it's reopened because of COVID.
That ends our time here at this market. Now we're gonna go check out the St. Pete Pier and have a little fun with the splash pad.
The new St. Pete Pier has only been open since July 5th, and it's quickly become a top destination by critics from around the world.
There's more shopping here at the St. Pete Pier. You can buy some crafts, you can buy some shirts, you can get your face painted.
You'll definitely want to stop and get a souvenir that says, "I've been to the St. Pete Pier."
We're at the St. Pete Pier enjoying a beer on the playground.
Toast.
Cheers.
The Glazer Family Playground at the St. Pete Pier is an exciting nautical themed playground with sunken ships, creatures, and a local coastal theme.
Welcome to your
She hit her
butt.
butt bone.
We have a nice butt injury.
Karina wanted to show us where she hurt herself.
Part at the bottom.
Which part? The silver part?
Right? Yeah, I figured. You slid down. That's the wood, and then what did it hit? The bottom.
Let me try.
What did it hit?
Let me try.
Her butt
Did it
cheek.
hit everything?
Go, Colin.
Colin, look out!
Oh!
Cathy sees an open spot near the splash pad and starts booking it, leaving us in the dust.
We made it to the splash pad area here at St. Pete Pier. We're gonna enjoy it. Colin's right over there running around.
Pier Plaza is home to the splash pad, the beach, and to the restaurant.
I'm gonna get a beer of some sort with the bar that's right there.
Spa Beach Bistro.
The cool thing about the splash pad, it has music playing all around, so kids can dance and have fun.
Spa Beach Bistro.
Today we're going to try 2 locally brewed craft beers. I got the Postcard Pills from Green French Brewery right here in St. Petersburg, and Cathy got the Graffiti Orange. It's a creamsicle wheat beer from 7th Sun Brewery in Tampa. Check out my waiter skills. Here you go, Cathy.
Thanks, Ryan. Are they the same?
It's public, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's public. You film and tell me what. It's called a Darbuka.
Colin. Good man.
There's so much to see at the St. Pete Pier and so many places to take a photo next to, and like us, you'll enjoy your stroll along the entire pier. You'll definitely want to check it out at different times of the day.
All right, just got to the end of the pier. There's a lot of fishing, and if you want, you can fillet the fish right there.
Look at this amazing architecture.
I can't find Cathy anywhere. Let me check into this gift shop. Oh, what do you know?
It's always nice spending time with the kids and listening to their thoughts about our trip.
My dad farts a lot. Don't worry about it.
Just got to the end of the pier. Kids got something at the gift shop. Colin got a chocolate ice cream. Karina got some bouncy ball that's probably going in the water. And that's the end of the pier.
The end of the pier has elevators, but we took the stairs to the Great Lawn. I headed upstairs to Pier Tiki for great views of the city.
There's a restaurant up top with great views of the downtown St. Petersburg right there. And this is what the restaurant looks like.
Pier Tiki is a restaurant with a modern take on the classic tiki bar.
You can watch the football game, you can enjoy downtown St. Petersburg and take in the view. It's amazing.
The St. Pete Pier is a place you'll want to spend all day. Unfortunately, we had to rush back to the hotel, so we decided to catch the tram. The free tram has 4 stops along the half-mile pier.
Alright, we decided to take the tram back. It's a little hot and we have to race back home to check out.
Say paw.
Paw. Say paw.
Guerra. Guerra. Sit.
Say paw. Aw. Good job, Colin.